You guys, my name is Sadie's Curls for those of you who are new here, and today we will be doing a twist out with these new products I got from Target by the brand called Emerge Beauty. We are going to be using their leave-in conditioner called My Main BFF Leave-In Conditioner. It says for coily and curly textures, nourishing and smoothing, infused with Paquet oil. Not sure how to say that. And we will also be using the Works Buttercream for curly and coily textures. It says curl definition and softens, infused with PQ oil as well. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so I'm going to take a pretty decent amount of this leave-in conditioner and go ahead and apply it to my damp hair and work it through from root to tip, which is just what the directions say, and make sure that all of my strands are coated. And as you can see, my fingers are really just gliding through my hair right now, which is definitely what this product says it aims to do. It brings you rich moisture and slip, and that is definitely what I'm getting right now with this product. So now that the leave-in is completely worked in my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and twist that section away just to make sure it stays detangled and out of my way. And then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next section. Alright, now that I've applied the leave-in all over my hair, we are going to move into the Works Buttercream. So it says to take a small amount of the product and apply it to the section of hair. So I'm just clipping my hair out of the way. I'm going to scoop a little bit of the product out, apply it to that section of hair, and start with my twisting. And as you can see, that leave-in conditioner really defined my curls and left my hair really moisturized. So this butter is just adding to the moisture train, you guys, which I love. Yeah, just one. All right, so here we go again. We are just clipping this hair out the way, taking a section of hair, applying some butter to it, splitting that section of hair in half, and two-strand twisting it all the way down. twisted. Excuse my heathens of dogs, they don't know how to act. But here it is. The white should go away. I'm gonna air dry for a little bit and then probably sit underneath the dryer for the rest of the time. And then I will show you guys the finished look. All right, you guys, so here we are. Second day, hair is completely dried. I put it in flat twist so that I could wear it to work and then not just be, you know, short and all that. So let's see. Pull this side back up. I'm gonna use a little bit of avocado oil for my takedown. Not much. All right, so here we go with the takedown. Again, just clipping the hair out the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this back twist here. All I do is unravel it and then I separate each section only where the hair wants to separate, which you can see right here. I just kind of separate it a little bit, and wherever the twist decides to come undone, that's where it's separated at. All right, and now that I have all of my twists undone, I'm just gonna go ahead and give my hair a nice fluff with my fingers just to make sure that I get all those little parts undone so that you can't see them in my hair. All right, you guys, so here is my finished product. I'm actually really loving these results. My hair is really soft, really moisturized. It has a nice bit of volume on it to say that this is first day hair. Okay. And it has really nice definition, but it's so soft. Like literally, I can't keep my hands out of my hair. These products did not disappoint at all whatsoever. I am in love with this twist out. Like, sis. I was not expecting results this good from products this cheap. Like, okay, well, maybe I was a little bit because my wash day was popping, okay? Like, these products did not disappoint whatsoever. So, that's about how much leave-in I used. And that was my second time using it. Yeah, that stuff was bomb. And then the butter, I think I used a pretty decent amount. You guys see it? And that was my second time using the butter as well. So, I'm struggling. My hair, hold on, let me look at this definition. Like, do y'all see it? I really wish y'all could like reach out and touch my hair through this video. Like, and I never want people to touch my hair just cause, you know, it's a natural thing. But y'all really need to feel how soft and moisturized this stuff is. Like, sis. And you know, I feel a little bad because I've been going to Target and seeing these products and seeing these products and seeing these products, and I was like, where did these come from? Who made these up? It's probably not gonna work for me. Look at me. Look at Emerge Beauty coming through. Working for me. Like, sis, can you believe it? Because I can't. These products are amazing. I would definitely recommend that you get them, give them a try. I promise you will not regret it. From the shampoo all the way down to the butter is like amazing, okay? This twist out, popping. And I'm so glad that I left it in for another day because, sis, do you see this hair? Oh my gosh, that's it, y'all, that's it. You know what? I hope that y'all like this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.